Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another banger on the channel. As you guys see, we got the Camry over here sitting right here, and in today's video we're gonna go over the push to start conversion kit that I got for this car. I gotta say, obviously no problem, that's why I'm making this video, and I love it. And I wanted to go over where I got it from and exactly, you know, the little background of why I got it. But if you guys didn't know, this Camry right here is a 2022 Toyota Camry SE, which is the base model above the LE. Now, the 2018 to 2024 Camrys, the LE and the SEs come with key to start unless you get, you know, an upgraded package for it. But mine did come with key to start. So I'm going to see if I can try to find a picture or video of what my key looked like, or if I could just find it online. You guys could probably easily find it. But my car used to be key to start, which was, I mean, it wasn't that bad. Obviously, I had the car for a long time. Last week was literally just 2 years with this car. But changing it to key to start is amazing because not only did I, not key to start, to push to start, because not only that was I able to get a push to start button, there was a whole bunch of other features that came with this kit. I got it for about like $450, which, hear me out, does sound like a lot, but once you guys see all the features and everything this kit comes with, then you understand why it costs that much. But now with this push to start kit, I now have remote start from the key. Obviously, I still have the unlock lock features and opening the trunk feature for this car with the new key. And yeah, I'm telling you, remote start, like you guys see me wearing a jacket right now in New York. It's freezing right now, but if I'm leaving work or if I gotta turn the car on in the morning, wherever I gotta go, I could just turn it on, let it warm up for a couple minutes, go outside, get in and go. But yeah, and not only that, don't get me wrong, the kit does come with a whole bunch of panel replacements. So a little panel to put the push start button in. It does come with a bunch of wires. You gotta put on like an antenna for the front of the car, antenna for the rear of the car. It does come with 2 new key fobs, and there's a whole bunch of plug and play wires and stuff you gotta do to be able to make this kit work. And the best part of this kit is that there is a Bluetooth app that you could use to remote start the car, turn it off, open and close your windows, lock and unlock the car. What else? You can open your trunk from your phone, which is crazy. I'm gonna show you guys all the features for this kit. Right now, I'm going to switch over to my other phone, which has the app, and I'm going to show you guys how I can open the windows, close it, stuff like that. But if you guys do want to purchase this kit, go hit up KBTuning _ on Instagram. Tell them I send you so they can give you the same price. And yeah, $450 seems like a pretty good deal for all this stuff that comes in the kit, which I can't show you everything that comes in the kit because obviously it's all tucked away and everything. But if you guys DM them, they could probably show you some images and stuff like that. But if you guys do live in a tri-state area, New Jersey, New York, Connecticut, and you're down to come to New York, we could install for you. One of my boys, who is my partner over at KBTuning, he can install for you guys. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this whole push to start conversion kit. I've had no problems with it. My honest review. I'm not trying to scam you guys with it. I'm literally going to show you guys the kit that's on my car. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. And I think it's been maybe around 6 months since I had it. I'm going to check and make sure, but let's get straight into it. Alright, so this is what the app looks like. It's going to show a little yellow Bluetooth signal once it's actually connected to the car. But this is what the app looks like. It allows you to control the windows, unlock and lock the car, open the trunk. I'm going to show you guys all those features right now. Let's get into, let's unlock the car. So you press this. Boom, as you guys see, the car's lighting up. It's unlocked. Now let's lock it. Alright, and now to be able to remote start or to open the windows or stuff like that, the car has to be locked. So now that the car's locked, let's try opening the windows. Oh, camera's not focusing, but open your windows. Yes, it's gonna open each and every single window, which is crazy. And then if you want to close them all, you just hit the close window, hit yes, and then close all your windows. Now all the windows are closed, which is what I love about this kit. Now let's open the trunk from our phone. Let's come back to the trunk. And just to show you guys that, you know, let me show you guys inside the car. Nobody's in the car. It's tinted. Let me just, you know, use my handy dandy app to unlock the car. Nobody is inside the car. Let me show you guys the back. It's a little hard to show, but all right, here's the back. Literally nobody is inside here. And now, oh, what the hell is that? Okay, we're gonna go ahead and lock the car. And this right here is to open the trunk. We press it, hit yes, and the trunk opens. As you guys can see, it's a little cold in New York, so my trunk is frozen, but you pull it up and it opens up. I do have a bunch of clips of me remote starting the car, which I'm not going to do today because I want to show you guys me actually starting the car with the push to start button, just so you guys can see that it works and it's not just a display thing. But yeah, car's push to start now. I have all these features. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions, or DM me on Instagram if you want, at Kyle of Zali. It's the same at that I have on here. But yeah, I love the recent support on the YouTube channel. It's amazing. Let me know what type of videos you guys do want to see me do next. I'm thinking of doing some like POV drive type videos. As you guys know, we did just recently go catless. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. But KBTuning, the company that does have this push to start conversion kit, they also have a whole bunch of other parts for the Camry, ambient lighting, you know, a whole bunch of interior parts like the steering wheel, shift knob, paddle shifter covers. If you guys need any body kits like the front lips, side skirts, diffusers, whatever you guys need, hit them up. Ask them a question about your car. Maybe they got it for you. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. We're going to go ahead and go in straight to a clip of me getting in the car and actually trying to start it, stuff like that. But yeah, let's get straight into it. So, sorry for the bad lighting, but this is what the push to start button looks like. The kit does come with this little panel with the hole, but this is the push to start button. Obviously, for a push to start car, you got to put your foot in the brake to start it. So let me just show you guys, just so you don't think, you know, you guys don't think that I'm capping about this. So foot is not on the brake, right? Let's push the button. It's gonna go into accessory mode. My compressor is turned on for the air suspension, don't worry. But look, if I try to press it again, or actually I won't do that because I don't want the car to turn off since the compressor's on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our foot on the brake. As you can see, my foot's on the brake, and start it. Car is on and the compressor is off. Let me show you guys what the actual key looks like. It's literally just like OEM. It's a Toyota key. I dropped it a few times, so it is scratched a little bit, but you do get 2 of these with the kit, which is amazing. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below of this push to start kit. It does turn orange. Let's let the camera focus when it is on. But yeah, I'm loving this kit. I've had it for almost, like, I'd say at least half a year. This steering wheel is actually like shining right now. It's crazy. If you guys didn't know, I am trying to sell my exhaust, intake, my headers, and my air suspension, which I just got the air suspension like 1 to 2 months ago. As the camera wasn't showing my face, but we do have something crazy planned for the future for this car. But if anybody is interested in buying the air suspension kit or my exhaust, I have the MagnaFlow catback, or my webinar headers, or my intake, DM me on Instagram or comment down below your Instagram and I'll hit you up. The car is catless, and let's show you guys how many miles per gallon I'm getting right now. Somehow, we are getting an average of 22.9 miles per gallon, but my last drive I was getting almost 25. But if I do drive normal, I get literally 40, like around 38 to 40, which is crazy to think that this car is fully catless and it's doing that. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video of me showing the push to conversion kit. If you guys do want to purchase it, hit up KBTuning _ Instagram. I got it for $450. It was amazing, and yeah, definitely was one of the best purchases I made for this car, for the interior, for the luxurious, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.